Well, packed in here like sardines. But by golly, we're gonna have a good time. We're at Fish Lake. And it's a chilly 7 degrees out here. Correction, it's -2 degrees. It says Grogu. All right, made it to Fish Lake. We're getting a late start getting onto the ice, but we're doing it. Toting the US flag with us. Heck yeah. Getting ready to drill a couple holes and send the fish finder down. And we'll get started. All right, here we are. There's Jason. He took the easy route, the snowmobile. But I need to get my exercise. Woo-wee. Beautiful out here. All right, we're here at Fish Lake for our 2nd annual YouTube meetup. So far, we have Fishfearme and Old Timers Walker channels here, and we just barely got our poles in the water. We got a late start, but we're hopeful we'll catch something.
That'll be nice.
Yeah, heck yeah. We'll wonder who else shows up, but we'll highlight them as they do. And anyway, we're gonna get after it and get some fishing done. Glad you could join the party. High five. Woohoo!
All right.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good. All right, you got the whole crew. That's awesome.
Yeah, we brought a few friends. So
Sweet. Well, we got the flag flying, so it shouldn't have been too hard to find. How you doing, buddy?
yeah, how are you?
Been a while.
Yeah.
We got more here coming. Are they part of your group? Sweet. Right on. So yeah, we got Freakin Outdoors here. They've showed up. That's awesome. Hopefully we'll have a pretty good turnout this year.
There we go.
All right, well there we are on the screen there, center bottom, jigging. And we've had some fish interested, swimming around our bait, but they're not taking it. So we're thinking about maybe doing something different with our tackle here. But had some interested in the power bait on my other pole, but nothing there yet. I did have, oh, I got one on my power bait right now on the far left of the screen. Well, that's a big fish. Holy cow.
You got one on you right now, don't you?
He's on that left one.
Oh.
He's out on the, he's either on the worm or the cheese. Huh. Anyway, well there's our hole, and there's the fish finder, and there's the rigging. Well, there's Jason's hole right there. We'll just keep after him. All right, got one coming in hot and heavy on our bait.
He's just not.
Man, he just swam right on by. Wow, he's a picky fish. All right, having a good time, huh?
Having a really good time.
Awesome. Looks like he's got his camera going here.
I got two of them going. I got to find that lure on the second one. I put it down.
Okay.
The first one's not recording for some reason. Usually it's the one I use, the bigger one, but you see that
Got
jig
some.
on there.
We've been having a lot of activity, but nothing biting. So I don't know. We'll just have to keep trying.
We'll just keep trying. If nothing else, we'll move shallower and get in the weeds and fish for some perch.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Couple of them to take home for dinner.
You can go fill a bucket full of perch.
Maybe don't count on it. We can try.
All right. All right, we got some action in the tent here.
Go on, Cal.
He can see
Get him, bud.
he can see the fish attacking his bait.
There's like 100 of them.
He must be in a school of perch.
There's a bunch of perch, that's for sure.
Come on. I need to get in front of him. Come on, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. You got it.
And there's proof right there, a little baby perch right there.
Little tiny guys.
Come on.
Alright, we're catching something though.
Yeah,
Still attacking it. They ain't stopping.
right on.
They're gonna
Alright.
they're gonna
Maybe I won't catch one.
nibble it clean.
Right now. That's what they're doing. They're having a feast down there.
So you can see them through the hole?
Yeah.
Well, maybe I'll get my phone over the hole without dropping it in the hole.
Might have to close the door. Watch out for that heater it's on behind you.
Oh yeah. Burn my leg.
That would be good.
Oh yeah, I see the fish. Oh yeah, they're going after your bait. Heck yeah.
Is your phone picking it up?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Right on. Oh, there's a couple more. Sweet. All right, he's got one. Whoop, whoop.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
That's a better one.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Right on. Let's see a big smile with that big guy. Heck yeah. Woohoo. Nice bald eagle coming in.
You're scaring me. We gotta document this rare find. Are you still down there all the way with him? Is this you?
Yeah, he
You got
came
off.
off.
Oh!
Dang.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
All right, that was a lot of fun. We're finished up here on Fish Lake. It's a great day. Lots of fun and laughter amongst everybody, even though the fishing wasn't good to us. So I didn't catch any. I hooked one, I started to bring it up, and it got off. So anyway, that's the way it goes sometimes. All right, we're packing up. Just wanted to say thank you to Jason one more time for another fun day on the ice. Even though the fish weren't nice to us, we still had a good time and met a bunch of people and had a good time. So anyway, can't wait to get back on the ice again and do it all over again.
Fish to cooperate.
Yeah, thanks. We'll see you next time. But I guess I need to stop at the supermarket and buy a fish on the way home so I can show Christy I didn't get skunked. Just kidding. Anyway, see you next time.